Today we're going to do some cupping. Last time I did it, I don't think it was big enough to see what was actually happening. So today I'm going to make the flames higher on the fire cupping so you get a really good idea of it. Then I'm going to show you how to do it properly. Please watch the fire cupping through to the end so you don't cause yourself any accidents. Now I've got all this kit here: fire extinguisher, pair of gloves, because I'm using raw chicken. When we're doing this normally, we really shouldn't need any of this. But we're going to see if we can have some fun today. I haven't even tried this, I don't even know if it's going to work. So, cup, fire. There's two ways of doing cupping or fire cupping. We can take the fire to the cup, going that way, or we can take the cup to the fire, which we'll show you a bit more in a second. So we're going to try the first way of taking the fire to the cup. So we're going to light it, nice big flame there. And what we do with this, we take the fire to the cup, in, out, and then on. But we're also going to fill the cup to make sure it's not too hot and we don't burn anyone. So in, out, on. Whoa! And it works, look at that! And that is basically fire cupping. And we do that again because that was good fun. Fire, in, temperature, on. And if we look carefully in here, we can see that the chicken has risen up and we've got a good vacuum, and that's us with fire cupping the first way. The second way, we're actually going to do this not quite this way on someone, but this is why I need you to watch it all the way through. It's possible to burn someone with this. What we've got a little coin that we've popped on top of the chicken. And this is our flammable sauce. We're going to light it and then put the cup on. The fire will burn through all the oxygen in the cup and then go out. So this is what we do. A light on, and that's it. That was cool as well, wasn't it? Whoa, that's some vacuum there, wasn't it? It's a bit of squeaky chicken. I'm loving this, I gotta tell you. I don't do this to patients, not like this anyway. So fire, on, that's it. Really good strong vacuum there. I don't think we're going to cure the chicken of anything with this.